Qt Quick Widgets. In this section, we will look into Qt Quick GUI widgets in details. You will get to know widgets about input and output first, followed by layouts, styles, and animations. Then we will finish the section with scaling. Input and output. We will get to play with all kinds of widgets, or called controls, that Qt Quick Controls tool provides. In the following demo, we will try text area, combo box, and switch for input. As for output, label and the progress bar will be demonstrated. So if you're ready, launch Qt Creator and create a new Qt Quick Controls 2 application project. I will show you these controls in the QML documents declaratively. Meanwhile, feel free to use Qt Quick Designer to drag and drop corresponding controls into the canvas if you prefer the design. To make it easier, I put the page object in front of page 1 and change the label text to first page. Label is the basic text displaying type that extends the basic text type with style inheritance. So you don't have to manually specify the font, size, background, and so on. The label will inherit the style from the style you specify for the project. You can still further customize it. For example, overriding the font to be italic. Meanwhile, a text area is a multi-line text editor that you can put a placeholder on. For example, we can put a text object after the label vertically with some placeholder text. If you run the application now, you can see the result. You can, of course, use text area to display multi-line text. To do that, just set the read-only property to true. Now, let's put a combo box to switch between the text area and the label. Simply declare a combo box in the page object. Set the model property, which holds the array of combo box items strings. If you remember the dynamic property binding in QML, we don't need any signal handler to change label or text area's visibility. We can directly put an expression to their visible property. That is, the label and the text area will only be shown if the corresponding combo box item is selected. Now we can also refine the ankles. Give the application a run, so you can see that it indeed works as expected. To make it slightly more fun, let's put a progress bar in the page. We've done similar things in the C++ Qt project to demonstrate the progress bar. Let's see how easy it is to implement this in QML. Put a progress bar object in the page. Give it an ID and fix the location. Then we create a timer object that is running and the interval set to 300 milliseconds. And define the signal handler so that the progress bar will increment by 1% after every 300 milliseconds. Remember also set repeat to true so the timer keeps running. Give the application a run and you'll see what is done. Now you can see the progress bar is incrementing. Last but never the least, switch component is getting popular nowadays, especially in mobile and touchscreen applications. Like a progress bar, just declare one in the page. Give it an ID the fixed location. Then we can use it to control the timer's running property. Like a progress bar, just declare one in the page, then we can use it to control the timer's running property. The checked property is true when the switch is toggled or false otherwise. Now if you run the application, you can see how easy it is to do all these nice UI things in QML. Note this is not checked, the progress bar is not moving. Once we toggle the switch, you can see that the timer is running, hence the progress bar is incrementing.